Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your funds from Coinbase Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Coinbase Pro website or app on your device. Log into your Coinbase Pro account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the portfolio section of the site. Here, you will see an overview of your cryptocurrency holdings. Identify the currency or assets from which you wish to recover funds. Click on the specific asset to view more detailed information. Then, look for the option that says Withdraw. Choose the amount you want to withdraw from your account. Next, select the destination for your withdrawal. You can withdraw to your bank account or another cryptocurrency wallet. Ensure that you have linked your bank account or wallet to your Coinbase Pro account. If you haven't, navigate to the Settings or Linked Accounts section to add your bank account or wallet address. Double-check the information you entered to ensure accuracy. Once verified, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. You may receive an email or in-app notification to verify the transaction. Follow any additional verification steps provided. After confirmation, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. It may take some time for the funds to reach your bank account or wallet. If you encounter issues during the withdrawal process, check the Coinbase Pro Help Center for troubleshooting. You can also contact Coinbase Pro support for assistance. Once the funds are successfully transferred, you'll see them in your bank account or wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.